At 50, you're in your peak earning years. But are you making your money work for you? Many people in their 50s make a critical mistake, failing to use IRS-sanctioned catch-up contributions that let you save thousands more in your 401k and IRA. This isn't just about saving more, it's about strategic investing. In this video, we'll show you how to maximize these contributions, refine your investment strategy for the final push, and eliminate hidden debt that could derail your retirement. Are you ready to seize your biggest wealth-building opportunity? Step 1. Reset your financial mindset. For those over 50, the feeling that it's too late to build wealth can be overwhelming. But financial failure rarely stems from a lack of money. It stems from a limiting mindset. The true obstacle is the survival mindset, a defensive posture that traps you in a cycle of just getting by, paying bills, and living paycheck to paycheck. This short-term focus paralyzes growth and prevents you from ever getting ahead. To break free, you must adopt a growth mindset. This is the pivotal shift from asking, "How do I survive?" to asking, "How can I grow?" It reframes every financial decision as an opportunity, prompting questions like, "How can every dollar I earn generate another?" and "How can I build a secure retirement?" This strategic outlook is your most powerful asset. At this stage in life, you possess an advantage younger generations lack: wisdom and experience. You are less susceptible to get-rich-quick schemes and understand that sustainable growth is key. Your comeback doesn't require risky gambles. It requires a clear, strategic plan rooted in your reality. Start by assessing your finances, identifying new income opportunities, and defining your long-term goals. This mindset shift translates directly into action. It gives you the courage to build an emergency fund, the discipline to invest consistently in proven tools like ETFs, and the clarity to avoid consumer traps that derail progress. You stop reacting to financial problems and start proactively designing your future. Every decision is measured by a simple metric: does this move me closer to financial freedom? Ultimately, wealth is not built in a bank account. It is forged in your beliefs about what is possible. No investment strategy can succeed if you are held back by the conviction that you are out of time. Your comeback begins not with a bank balance, but with a belief. Embrace the truth that it is never too late to begin, and that single decision will unlock the momentum you need to achieve the financial peace you deserve.
Step 2. Design a 30-day emergency financial plan. After cultivating a growth mindset, the pivotal next step is to seize absolute control of your finances. This is achieved through a focused 30-day action plan designed not for complex theories, but for immediate, real-world results. Its purpose is to stop the financial bleeding and construct a stable foundation for long-term wealth. This practical blueprint is built on 3 essential pillars: mastering your spending, building a financial safety net, and strategically eliminating destructive debt. The first pillar is a radical audit of your spending. The silent erosion of wealth often comes not from large, obvious purchases, but from the small, habitual leaks, unused subscriptions, mindless convenience buys, and emotional spending. The goal isn't to live a life of deprivation, but one of intention. By consciously redirecting funds from wasteful habits to meaningful goals, you create an immediate surplus. This newfound cash flow is the fuel for the next 2 steps and provides a powerful psychological boost, proving that you are in command of your money. Next, you must erect your financial firewall, an emergency fund. This is your non-negotiable buffer against life's inevitable surprises, be it a sudden repair or a medical bill. Without this cash reserve, unexpected events can instantly trigger a downward spiral into high-interest debt, undoing all your progress. The initial 30-day goal is to secure a starter fund of at least $1,000, with a long-term target of 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This can be funded with the money saved from spending cuts, by selling unused items, or through a temporary side hustle. This fund is the bedrock of your financial security. The final pillar is the systematic elimination of bad debt. While not all debt is detrimental, high-interest consumer debt, particularly from credit cards, acts as an anchor, dragging down your financial potential. Paying 20% or more in interest makes saving or investing almost futile. The solution is a disciplined payoff strategy. Whether you choose the avalanche method, tackling the highest interest debt first, or the snowball method, clearing the smallest balances for momentum, the key is unwavering focus and consistency. Completing this 30-day plan creates a profound transformation. The feeling of your finances being a bottomless pit will be replaced by a sense of order and confidence. You move from a reactive state of scrambling to cover bills to a proactive position of planning for the future. This is how true wealth is built, not just by earning more, but by mastering the art of keeping and directing your money. It is never too late to begin this reset. These 30 days can be the definitive turning point in your financial journey from surviving to thriving.
Step 3. Make your finances automatic. After establishing financial order by trimming expenses, building an emergency fund, and confronting debt, the next phase is not about more effort, but less. It's about implementing a system that builds wealth on autopilot, financial automation. In a world demanding constant attention, relying on willpower to manage money is a flawed strategy. Automation removes the burden of manual discipline, creating a silent, consistent engine for your financial growth. The concept is elegantly simple. Pay yourself first. By setting up automatic transfers, a portion of your income is moved directly into savings and investment accounts the moment you get paid. Whether it's 10% into a Roth IRA or a set amount into a low-cost index fund, this money is put to work before you have the chance to spend it. What remains in your checking account becomes your true budget. This single shift provides immense mental relief, eliminating the monthly stress of deciding how much to save and protecting you from impulsive spending habits. Beyond instilling discipline, automation is the most effective way to harness the power of time and compounding. Consistent, regular investments, no matter how small, create a powerful snowball effect. Each contribution buys assets, and the returns on those assets are reinvested, generating further growth. This process of dollar-cost averaging smooths out market volatility and ensures you are always participating in long-term growth without needing to be a market expert or monitor daily fluctuations. Consistency, not timing, or large lump sums, is the true secret to building substantial wealth over the long haul. Perhaps the most profound benefit of this system is the mental freedom it provides. By entrusting your financial strategy to an automated process, you reclaim your time and energy. Instead of being bogged down by the administrative load of money management, you can focus on what truly enriches your life, your career, your health, your family, and your personal growth. Your financial future is being diligently secured in the background, moving you closer to independence with every paycheck. Wealth is not built in dramatic leaps, but through hundreds of small, disciplined steps repeated over time. Financial automation is the ultimate tool for ensuring these steps are taken without fail. If you're tired of the mental load of managing money, it is time to let a system do the work. Set up your financial autopilot today and watch your wealth grow steadily, even when you're not thinking about it.
Step 4. Invest like the smart. Once your financial house is in order, debt is managed, savings are automated, and an emergency fund is secure, you arrive at the true engine of long-term wealth creation: investing. This is not about the speculative frenzy of chasing trends or the high-stakes gamble of get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, it is about a strategic, stable, and disciplined approach designed for sustainable growth. A common pitfall, especially for those investing later in life, is the belief that they must win fast to catch up. This scarcity mindset can be a siren call, luring individuals into volatile assets like speculative stocks or cryptocurrencies. More often than not, This path leads not to accelerated wealth, but to significant losses, immense stress, and a deep-seated distrust of investing itself. True financial progress is built on a different foundation. The blueprint for smart investing does not require a crystal ball or a degree in finance. It demands a commitment to proven, long-term assets. Prime examples include broad market index funds, dividend-paying ETFs, and real estate investment trusts, or REITs. An index fund, such as one tracking the S&P 500, offers built-in diversification and has historically delivered steady returns, making it a cornerstone of many successful portfolios, including those recommended by Warren Buffett. For those seeking to generate regular income, dividend ETFs and REITs are powerful tools. Dividend ETFs provide consistent cash flow from a portfolio of established companies, paying you to hold the investment. Similarly, REITs allow you to participate in real estate profits through dividends without the complexities of property ownership. The common thread uniting these investments is their emphasis on principled patience. They do not require daily monitoring or panicked reactions to market fluctuations. The strategy is simple yet profound. Invest consistently, reinvest all dividends to harness the power of compounding, and remain committed to your plan over years, not days. This approach allows your wealth to grow quietly and steadily in the background, freeing you to focus on your career, family, and life. Ultimately, the greatest risk in today's financial landscape is not market volatility, but inaction. With inflation silently eroding the value of cash, holding on to savings without investing guarantees a loss of purchasing power over time. You don't need a large sum to begin. Modern platforms allow you to start with modest contributions. What matters most is not the amount you start with, but the consistency with which you stay the course. Wealth is not a sprint. It is a marathon of deliberate, repeatable steps. By embracing a simple, disciplined strategy and ignoring the market noise, you allow time and compounding to become your most powerful allies, building a secure and prosperous financial future.
Step 5. Activate your income growth engine. In the journey toward financial independence, a solid foundation is paramount. This involves cultivating the right mindset, mastering cash flow, automating savings, and investing wisely. However, once these pillars are in place, the most powerful lever for wealth creation is activated: strategic income growth. This is not merely about earning more, it's about creating a resilient and flexible financial future. The core of this strategy lies in leveraging your most valuable asset, your accumulated skills and experience. Begin by optimizing your primary source of income, your job. Instead of passively waiting for annual raises, proactively increase your value in the workplace. This can be achieved through upskilling and reskilling. In today's dynamic job market, professionals who augment their experience with new, in-demand competencies are highly sought after. Focus on acquiring skills that yield immediate benefits, such as project management, digital literacy, or specialized software proficiency. Platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning offer accessible, high-quality courses that can pave the way for promotions or more lucrative opportunities. Simultaneously, it is crucial to diversify your income by developing secondary streams. This approach, often called creating passive income, mitigates the risk of relying on a single paycheck and accelerates wealth accumulation. The possibilities are abundant and can be tailored to your lifestyle and expertise. Consider monetizing a spare room on Airbnb, offering freelance services on platforms like Upwork, or investing in dividend-paying assets like real estate investment trusts, REITs. You could even launch a YouTube channel or blog to share your professional knowledge, turning your expertise into a revenue source. The goal is to convert your experience and available time into consistent cash flow, creating a robust financial safety net.
This dual strategy of enhancing your primary career while building secondary income streams does more than just increase your earnings. It instills a profound sense of security and control. Knowing you have multiple sources of income provides peace of mind and empowers you to make bolder, more strategic financial decisions. It transforms your financial narrative from one of passive waiting to one of active creation. Ultimately, sustainable wealth is not built solely on what you cut back, but on what you create. It's about generating the financial fuel to invest, save, and break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. By asking yourself, what actionable step can I take today to increase my earnings, you initiate a powerful shift. Whether it's enrolling in a course or launching a small side project, every strategic move builds momentum, paving the way for a more prosperous and secure financial future.
Step 6. Lock in your wealth. Insurance, estate planning, and true financial freedom. After all your efforts to build a strong financial foundation, shifting your mindset, managing your cash flow, investing wisely, and growing your income, there's one final critical step: locking in what you've built. In other words, it's time to set up a protection system to ensure that everything you've worked for isn't wiped out by a sudden accident, a major medical expense, or legal chaos after you're gone. In the world of personal finance, this is known as asset protection, and it's not just for the wealthy. In fact, those in the process of building wealth, especially in midlife, need it more than anyone. First and foremost, you need to consider life insurance. This isn't just a financial product, it's a long-term promise to your family. If you're the primary breadwinner, imagine what would happen if you weren't here tomorrow. Life insurance ensures that your loved ones don't have to struggle financially while mourning your loss. A well-structured policy can help your children stay in school, give your spouse time to recover, and allow your family to keep the home you built together. Purchased early, it's one of the most affordable and humane ways to protect your assets. Next, there's long-term health insurance, something many middle-aged Americans overlook until it's too late. Statistics show that medical expenses are the leading cause of personal bankruptcy in the U.S., especially in later years. One surgery, one round of cancer treatment, or a few years in a nursing facility can drain hundreds of thousands of dollars. Without a plan, your hard-earned savings can disappear in mere months. Long-term care insurance, or at the very least a financial strategy for major health risks, can protect your freedom even during your most vulnerable years. And finally, estate planning. This isn't just for millionaires with yachts and mansions. If you own a house, a car, a retirement account, or even just a modest savings, you need a clear plan for who will receive what and how. Without a will, your family could be thrown into months or years of legal complications, costly attorney fees, and painful disputes. A clear estate plan, even as simple as a notarized will, helps preserve your wealth for the next generation while sending a powerful message: I didn't just live responsibly, I cared about my family's future. When you complete this step, you're no longer just making money and investing, you're building a legacy. Your wealth doesn't just support your present, it protects the people you love even in your absence. And that is the true destination of financial freedom, not just having money, but knowing it's safe, purposeful, and protected no matter what. You've spent your life working to build financial security. Don't let one unexpected event or lack of preparation undo everything. Lock in what you've built, with insurance, with a healthcare plan, and with a clear will. That's how you protect your peace of mind and leave behind a stronger future for yourself and those who follow you.
Remember, 50 is the perfect time to start over using your wisdom and experience. The biggest mistake is letting the fear of being too late keep you stuck for another 5 years. Take one small action today. Make one new decision this week. You will be amazed where you are in just 5 years. If you found this valuable,
Help spread the message by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Let's take control of our financial future starting now.